tanker takes off on a train wreck. Just moments later, it falls from the sky. The consequences are devastating.
The KC-135 ended up crashing in a neighborhood, spewing 32,000 gallons of jet fuel onto the ground.
The crash leaves a crater 15 feet deep. A dozen homes go up in flames. 30 people die. Investigators discovered that a mechanical failure caused the pilot to lose control.
The tragedy proved that flying gas may look like the easiest thing in the world, but it isn't always the easiest thing in the world.
The crash forces an examination of the whole tanker fleet. No deficiencies are revealed, but concerns about the tanker remain. 8 months later, the KC-135 has a chance to redeem itself in war. August 1965. The United States finds itself face to face with the communists, but not in the Soviet Union, in Vietnam. The Air Force sends its best aircraft off to battle, but Strategic Air Command declines to join the fight.
SAC opposed using B-52s and KC-135s in Southeast Asia. SAC had one mission, and that was to put H-bombs on the crew.
In Vietnam, the Air Force relies on piston-powered KV-50s to refuel its aircraft. But the KV-50s are soon grounded with corrosion, and the KC-97s can't pick up the slack. The KC-97 is too slow for the supersonic fighters. So Strategic Air Command reluctantly sends its KC-135. The Stratotanker's young pilots are eager to put their training to use.
So somebody in SAC headquarters came up with a neat name we all love, called Young Tiger.
Lieutenant John Castillo was an aircraft commander and KC-135 pilot for 12 years.
They called us a Young Tiger because the tigers are very fierce. We can make ourselves too, I guess.
May 31st, 1967. Castillo and his KC-135 crew fly through the Gulf of Tonkin. They normally fly with a boom, but today they're equipped with a drogue adapter to support two F-104s.
Our mission was to refuel the two 104s, and then we were to leave and go to Okinawa. And on our way home, we then started hearing this terrible radio.
Just miles away, two Navy Army tankers, nicknamed Whales, have run into trouble.
That they were running out of gas, just like their airplanes are supposed to refuel.
The Whales are on site to support two F-8s, tasked with keeping watch over a downed pilot.
The Navy pilot was out in the open, surrounded by anti-aircraft guns. And the Navy pilots that were trying to bomb straight, kill the people that had the anti-aircraft guns.
And straight into danger.
I realized.
of the F-Force has a failing engine.